Hey family, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I will be making Hennessy Hot Wings and showing you how to incorporate and enjoy that bold cognac flavor without ending up with a hangover. And don't act like y'all don't want to try these. I know y'all like Hennessy. My secret recipe is coming up. Stay tuned. So family, one of my secrets to frying chicken is before we get started, it's good to let these marinate in some salt water or some buttermilk for at least an hour before you start frying. This will ensure that the chicken is nice and juicy. I'm not going to tell you guys how to season your chicken. You know, everything is according to how you like it, but the usual suspects for me is a little Lowry seasoning salt, onion powder, garlic powder, a little black pepper, and some Creole seasoning. So I'm just gonna sprinkle this, you know, on both sides of the chicken. But you gotta do what's right for you. I have another secret. Whenever you're frying chicken, of course flour is good, but a little dash of cornstarch will make sure that your chicken wings are really crispy. And you don't need a lot, just a few dashes will do it. After your wings are fully floured, we're gonna go ahead and add some more seasoning to these. Some people like to add it to the flour itself, but me personally, I never can taste the seasoning that way. So after they're floured, I'm just going to sprinkle these with some more pepper and a little seasoning salt. The flavor is really going to come through. So I just tested the grease with a little splash of water. You can hear it sizzling. We're ready to drop these bad boys into this hot grease. Leave a little space between them. While these wings are finishing up, I'm going to go ahead and get started on the Hennessy Hot Wing glaze. I have a little pan here. I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of butter and a little minced garlic. If I can open it. Yeah, so I'm just going to let that saute just a little bit. I'll have all of the descriptions in the description box. But for the glaze, you're gonna need chili sauce, molasses, and if you don't like molasses, you can use something a little less harsh, like honey, hot sauce, some Hickory liquid smoke, Worcestershire sauce, and then I like mine to have a little bit of kick, so I have some Cayenne red pepper. And this is our hot sauce. Dash of molasses. And now we're going to let the alcohol cook off of the Hennessy. So I have a small pot here. I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup. I'll let that cook for about a minute. And then we will add it to our glaze. Okay, we are ready to add the Hennessy. It's come to a nice boil here. So we're gonna add this right to the glaze. Woo! Turn this pan on. And we'll let this simmer for a little while. So you see how our glaze is boiling and thickening up? We're ready to cut this off. So these are about ready to come out. We got a beautiful golden brown there. And when you take them out, make sure you put them on a baking rack. Don't just put them on a piece of paper towel. This will help them stay nice and crispy. Just like that. Look at our wings here. They are so crunchy. Don't even need glaze, for real, for real. Can't say I kept the secret from you. So we're ready to toss the wings. And our glaze is all done. Look at there. Can you see that? Yeah. Just gonna add one more splash of the Hennessy for a little added zing. And then pour that in here. And like I said, these wings are already good. Just get at a shake. Woo. Just set them over here. That's it. That is it. Chicken wing thing. Ow, chicken wing thing. Ow, chicken wing thing. Family, I really hope you enjoy these Hennessy Hot Wings. The flavor is off the chain. As always, thank you so much for stopping by and kicking it with your girl for a little bit. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram at Miss T's Secret Recipes. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Peace.